Another day, another gala. Samahan niyo kami sa aming Vancouver trip. Actually, Vancouver transportation is very accessible. So ayun na nga, napaaga yung dating namin. We took train going to our first destinations. Ika nga, time is gold, wag sayangin. Since 3 days and 2 nights lang kami, wala naman kami masyadong dala kundi ang aming personal bag lang. Habang naglalakad kami going to our first destination, nakita namin itong mga puno ng mga cherry blossoms. Napakaganda nila. Amazing! Salamat nga pala sa aking asawa na taga-bitbit ng aking bag at tagakuha na rin ng video at pictures. Ikaw na ang lucky girl. Di wow! So this is it. Our first stop, Queen Elizabeth Park. Ang ganda. We're here at Queen Elizabeth Park. Dahil maaga kaming dumating, naglakad-lakad lang muna kami dito. Sabi nila, Queen Elizabeth Park ay tinaguri ang Vancouver's horticultural jewel because of its stunning gardens, city views, and peaceful atmosphere. Which is, I agree 100%. It's perfect for walking. I love natures. There's lots of different flowers. Ang gaganda ng mga puno. Beautiful sunrise. And of course, di mawawala, a great place for perfect photography. We found a beautiful spot. So, gumawa kami ng entry for TikTok. Aba, pinilit ko pang asawa ko dyan. Sayang naman, hindi namin napasok tong Bloedel Conservatory kasi sobrang aga namin na nandito. Well, Queen Elizabeth Park, it is the highest point in Vancouver. It has 125 above sea level, kaya makikita mo ang city views. Napakaganda. Meet my aunties and uncles. Hehe, joke only. From here, you can see the city views. Our second stop is Stanley Park. Nako po, more on lakaran na naman itong mga to. Ang gaganda ng mga puno, giant tree. Mga ilang taon na kaya itong mga to. At ang paligid ay for green. Green grass, opal. Ayan, tuloy na pakanta. Stanley Park is the longest seawall in the world. It has 28 kilometers na napapaligiran lang naman ito ng dagat. And that suspension bridge, they call it the Lions Gate Bridge that connects the city of Vancouver. So stop muna tayo, picture. Trivia, Stanley Park is about 1/5 larger than Central Park in New York and almost half the size of the Richmond Park in London. So we rent a bike. We took 3 hours para maikot namin tong Stanley Park na to. Dami kasing stop eh. This one is crafted by Eric M. Reddy. He called it Girl in a Wetsuit. Akala ko nga nung una mermaid. Yung pala, he designed as a diver. Next stop, the historic lighthouse on Brockton Point. The lighthouse established daw siya noong 1890 but officially inactive since 2008 kaya ginawa nilang decorative purposes. Kaya ito na naman kami, bike doon, bike dito, picture doon. Ang daming view. Sayang naman at hindi namin napuntahan lahat ng viewpoint kasi naman nasa bike trail kami. I think meron pa silang mga old forest and I think meron pa silang mga mini train. Maybe next time ulit. If you're planning to visit this park, I recommend visiting early morning kasi mas konti ang tao. And if you want to visit Vancouver in springtime for cherry blossom and summer when the flowers are in full bloom. The next viewpoint in Stanley Park is the Swash Rock. Means he is standing up. Siguro mga laki nito is nasa 49 and 59 feet tall. Ganda, nasa gitna siya. Oh, di ba? Cute! Ang ganda ng Stanley Park. Hindi lang nature. Ayan, may nakita pa kaming pagong. Ang cute. Oh, di ba? Ang cute niya. After naman kami makakita ng pagong, ay ito na naman oh, ang cute nila. I don't know, is it duck or bird? Whatsoever, bird pa rin naman ang duck. Comment down below kung anong klaseng bird to.
Sumisisid sila.
Sisid lang ng sisid. Ang cute! Ang cute nila. Wala, sige, sisid pa more. Sisid pa more. Ayan, napagod na sila. Relax time! Kung yung mga duck or ibon ba yung mga yun, nagre-relax. Siyempre, kami, relax time na rin. Welcome to the third beach. Dito na rin kami nag-lunch. Ang ganda mag-swimming, kaso medyo malamig pa yung tubig. Ayan, may mga nagsiswimming. After a full day of adventures, we finally arrive at our hotel. Relax lang muna tayo for 1 hour. Oh, ayan. May lakas na naman ang lolo't lola nyo. So, naglakad-lakad na naman kami. While exploring the downtown Vancouver, we saw this alley-up. But, mas kilala siyang Pink Alley. Fun fact, dito yung ginanap yung K-pop group Twice for their hit music video, Likey. We just stayed at Downtown Hotel kasi napaka-accessible ang kanilang train station, ang Harbor Air Seaplanes, and you can bike going to Stanley Park. Tapos, lakad-lakad ka lang going to Vancouver Tower. While heading to the Gastown Steam Clock, ayan, sa mga side, ang daming mga souvenirs. Napakaganda yung mga buildings. It's like an old building.
You have arrived.
Ay, wow, ang galing ng GPS. Sabi niya, you arrive. Sabi nila, Gastown Steam Clock is famous for being one of the only functioning steam-powered clock in the world. Wow, mapapawaw ka. Ang galing. Dinapit hapon na nga kami sa paglalakad hanggang napadpad kami dito sa Canada Place kasi hinahanap ka namin Harbor Air Seaplanes for tomorrow, which is malapit na lang pala dito. Ayun, may nakita kaming nag-juggling the pin dito. Napakagaling niya. It's so amazing.
Wow! Oh, yeah!
All I can say, Vancouver is such a fantastic place. It's just stunning. You've got amazing blend of nature and urban life. It offers fantastic outdoor activities like biking and walkable the city views. Transportation is very accessible. There are bus, there is SkyTrain going to the airport. It's just 2 minutes walking from our hotel. And little bit pricey, but it's worth to visit the Vancouver. Dinner time! At ito nga't naglalakad-lakad kami. Naghahanap kami ng resto na makakainan. At ito na nga, dito kami kumain. So, nag-order siya ng fresh oyster, hindi lang isa, napa-order pa siya ulit ng isa pa. O diba? Ikaw na. And I like their clam chowder. It tastes really good.